Akshara IIT Math Foundation, 6 Mathematics, 6.5, fifth chapter, Playing with Numbers. Let's start. Let us see what the contents are there in this chapter. Here is the topics what we learn in this chapter. Just have a look. Right. So factor, multiple types of numbers, prime factor, prime triplet, prime factorization, methods of prime factorization, highest common factor, greatest common divisor, least common multiple LCM, relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers, what is divisibility rule, divisibility rules, general properties of divisibility, right? So factor, multiple types of numbers. Let us see once. See here, a factor is a number is an exact divisor of that number. Exact divisor. If you see here, 6 is a factor of 18. Let's divide 3 6 are 18. So it is the exact divisor. So what about multiple? Multiple is of a number obtained by multiplying it with another number. Just we can say table. Just remember 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So these all are multiples of 3. We can say 0 threes are 0 also. Even numbers and odd numbers, prime numbers. Even number, multiple of 2 are divisible by 2. Odd number, not divisible by 2. Prime number, natural number which is greater than 1 and has no factor except 1 and itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Composite, it's greater than 1 and having more than the factors other than 1 and itself. Right. Next page. You can see some prime numbers 1 to 1000. Twin primes. You can see here we have a list of prime numbers from 1 to 1000. Please have a glance here. Just check it out. Right. At least we can remember the factors for 1 to 100. That means first 2 rows we can remember. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 40. 1, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. At least 1 to 100 we shall remember. That's next. Twin primes. There are primes and the difference is 2. See 3 and 5, 5 and 7. The difference of these prime numbers is 2. They must be prime. Co-prime, they may not be prime, but factor is 1. Common factor is 1. They may not be prime, but twin primes, they are prime. Okay. Twin primes are always co-primes. Twin co-primes may or may not be both prime numbers. Perfect number. What is the meant by perfect number? The factors should be sum of the number. The 6 factors are 1, 2, 3. 1 6 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 3 2 are 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is how much? 6. And 15 is not a perfect number because 1, 3, 5, 15. If we add, what I will get? 24. We are not getting 15, right? The next. Here, prime factor, prime triplet. Prime triplet means set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2. So prime triplet, we are taking 3 prime numbers and difference between everyone is 2. This is called prime triplet. Prime factorization, we shall take only prime numbers. Here is the example. Here 2, 2, 3, 3 all prime numbers, right? So like this also we can do. And next we are going to HCF, highest common factor or greatest common divisor. We shall go for prime factorization and we shall go for division method, right? HCF for 24, 36 and 84. 24, 36, 84. 24, 36, 84. Okay. I'll explain here. 24, 36, 84. So 24 we can take factors like this. 36, 84. Let's take only prime numbers. And here 42. So now 24 I got the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 3 into 3. And 84. And like this. Let's take the common 2, 2, 2. And again 2 and 2 and 2. And 3 is also common. Right? So now let's take out the common numbers. Common factors are 2 power 1, 2 power 1, 3 power 1. Here, in each, you get 2 power 2 and 3 power 1. Okay. So in each, if you get 2 power 1, 3 power 1, the least number we shall take. So obviously the least number is 2 power 2 and 3 power 1 only. And 4 3 is 12. This is the factorization method. The same we will do in division method, 24, 36, 84. First, we will find 24 and 36 HCF like this. Let's divide here once, 12 times, here twice. The HCF is 12 here, the last divisor. And now 12 and 36. Like this I will do 3 times. HCF is equal to 12. Okay. HCF is equal to 12. So by this we know that the HCF of 12, 24, 36 is 12. 24, 36 and 84 here. 84, sorry. 84 we shall do. And if you do 84 also, you'll get the same. 12 and 84, 7 12s are 84. So HCF is 12. This is the prime factorization and long division method. The same way we'll do LCM. The same question I will say. Here, LCM is, we'll take highest number, highest common factor is 2 power 2 only and 3 power 1. And the rest of the numbers also we have to take. What are the rest of the numbers here? I'm marking with the green color. 2, 3, 7. We shall take these 3 numbers also. That is the condition we have. 2, 3, 7. Now, this is 12 and 6 7s are 42. Multiply 42 12s, 2 are 4, 8, 2, 4. Five not 4 is the LCM. Now, LCM and division method. 24, 36, 84. LCM and division method. Just we take 2 table, 12 times, 18 times, and here 40. Now we'll do it. Again, 2 table I will take. 6 times, 9 times, 21 times. Now I go with 3 table. 3 goes here 2 times, 3 times, 7 times. Now all these are prime numbers. No need to do, but if you would like to do, you can do. To bring 1. All the numbers are primes. It's not required to do. Take all these numbers and multiply. 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 7. So here 4, 4 3 are 12 into 42, we'll get 504. Right? So this is the LCM and HCF, both prime factorization and division method. Okay. Right. Next. Shall go for the objective type. Yes, here you see which number is a factor of every number? 1. The greatest factor of the given number. The greatest factor will be number itself. Every number dash and dash itself. Every number is a factor and multiple. Right? Next. Here we go. A number is a dash of each of its factors. A number is a divisor. So dividend, not divisor. Which are the following number? Is a multiple of 8? Yes. These are factors. Means it is divisible. Divisor. Factor in the sense divisor. Exact divisor. This is a multiple. 8 2s are 16. Number of factors of a given number is, number of factors can be finite. It's not infinite. You can say number of multiples of given number, infinite. The numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. The least odd prime is 3, even prime is 2. The sum of 2 odd and 1 even, 2 odd, take 3 and 5, and 1 even, 4 you take. 8 plus 4, 12. What do you get? Composite. Also we can take even. Composite and even, both are correct. The only prime number which is also even, 2. 2 is even prime. The numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. The 2 consecutive prime numbers with difference 2 are called twin primes. The 2 numbers which have only 1 as their common factor are called co-prime. Please have a look here. 15, 16, 17, 18. Just think about it for 2 minutes. We'll discuss the answer. Right. The number of factors for a square of a prime number. I will take a prime number. I will take 5. 5 5s are 25. What are the factors here? 1 will be 5 will be 25. I will take 3. 3 square. 9. 1 will be 3 will be 9. So how many factors we are getting? 3 factors we are getting. Right? This is the logical thinking question. Let's take it out. Which of the following numbers has 4 different prime factors? Let's do the LCM. 24, 120, 220. And I will write 24 as 2 into 12, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 4 different, but here only 2. Here I will take 12 into 10. 12 I will get 2 into 2 into 3 and 2 into 5. I got here 2, 3, 5. Only 3 I got. 2, 10. 21 into 10. 3 into 7. 2 into 5. Yes, we got. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 10 is the answer. What about 100? 10 into 10. 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Only 2 got. So 4 different prime factors we got only for 210. Right? Next. The HCF of 2 or more given numbers is the highest of their common factor. HCF of 2 prime numbers always 1. Just take 2 and 3, there is no common factor here. Next. HCF of two consecutive even numbers. Let's take 2 and 4. What is the HCF for them? Let's divide. 2 I got. We take 4 and 6. Again, I will get 2. Right? The HCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. HCF of 60 and 72. Let's divide. 60 and 72 here. Once. 5 60s are 5 12s are 60. Answer is 12. HCF of two consecutive even numbers. Just now we have done two consecutive even numbers. We got 2. Next. LCM of 2 or more numbers is the lowest of their common. LCM of 2 or more numbers is the lowest of their common multiple. Next. LCM of 2 relatively prime, co-prime. LCM, product of the numbers. LCM of 2 numbers M and N. M and N. So here always it is greater than or equal to the number, right? Yes. LCM of 18 and 24. Let's divide. So here I will take 2 table, 9 and 12, and 3 I will take. Again I will take 3. Yes, 9 4s are 36. LCM of 2 co-prime numbers. 2 co-prime in the sense I will take 2 and 7, 14. Yes, we are getting right. So 27 objective we have completed. Right. Just check out this 28, 29, 30 for 2 minutes. Right. AB are 2 numbers, then product of their numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. So A into B is equal to HCF into LCM. If the GCD of 2 numbers is 1, then their LCM is equal to their product. This is the rule we have. If HCF and LCM of 2 numbers 16 and 192 is 16 and 100 respectively. If one number is 84. Just now we have done the formula, no? So A is 64, B we don't know, and 16 into 192. B is equal to 16 into 192 by 64. Just cancel 4 times. 1, 4, 4 the 16, 8. Answer is 44. Okay. So product of 2 numbers is equal to HCF into LCM concept we have used here. HCF of 2 co-prime numbers. HCF of 2 co-prime numbers just now we have seen 1. GCD of 12 and 18 is a factor of. Let's take what is the GCD? 6. 6 is a factor of. 6 is a factor of here. This is the multiple correct answer. 6 is a factor of 6. 6 is a factor of 12. All are correct. Decision statement when the HCF of 2 numbers is always greater than that of any of the number. No. Product of 2 numbers equal HCF. Second one is correct. First one is wrong. Yes. Option 2. Just take the matching. The difference of 2 consecutive whole numbers. Consecutive whole numbers I will take 1 and 2 I will take. 1 and 2 difference is 1. Yes. The product of 2 non-zero consecutive whole numbers. 1 2s are 2. 3 4s are 12. Even number we are getting. U. Quotient when 0 is divided by another non-zero whole number. 0 is divided by 5. Is 0 no? Q. 2 added 3 times to the smallest whole number. 2 3s are how much? 6. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. This is the correct answer. Smallest odd prime number. Smallest odd prime number is what? 3. R. Okay. That's all. Please check. So we have completed here 34 objective today. And in the next class, we shall continue some more objective. Right.